और होनहार तालिब इल्म को मोहम्मद तलाल साहब के दुआएं और अपनी एजाज़ी तकरीर से हमारे क़ुलूब व ज़हन को मुअत्तर व मुनव्वर फरमाए।
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Separation from the center is death for nations. If the leader is present, then what is the ego? It is godliness. Respected, great and honorable President, Leader of Assembly, Chief of Assembly, great scholars of high status, delegate students. Separation from the center is death for nations. If the leader is present, then what is the ego? It is godliness. How beautiful today's forum, how lovely it is. Today, hall is the hall of knowledge. Today, hall is the hall of understanding. Today, hall is the hall of vision. Today, hall is the hall of observation. And the topic of discussion, its importance, significance, purposefulness, practicality is a great opportunity. Saying of His Excellency, the Sage of Ummah, Poet of the East, Philosopher of Islam, Giver of Knowledge, Sky of Literature, Roman of Hind, Commander of Hind. The great mentor says, separation from the center is death for nations. If the leader is present, then what is the ego? It is godliness. Respected, great and honorable President, the life of the nations is the center of unity. The glory of the nations is the center of unity. The rise of the nation is the center of unity. The peace of the nation is the center of unity. The awareness of the nations is the center of unity. The center of unity is life for nations. Respected, great and honorable President, separation from the center is death for nations. Separation from the center is humiliation of nations. Separation from the center is downfall of nations. Separation from the center is destruction of nations. Separation from the center is death for nations. Respected, great and honorable President, as we remain connected to the center, Hindustan and Sindh were our. We remain connected to the center, the seven heavens seemed like a lasso. We remain connected to the center, then we conquered the peaks of men. When we remain connected to the center, when we remain connected to the center, then we conquered the peaks of men. Respected, great and honorable President, when we separated from the center, we were shattered, even as a body wounds were mounted. When we separated from the center, the unparalleled Islamic Brotherhood also departed. When we separated from the center, brothers become thirsty for the blood of our brothers. When we separated from the center, darkness become our destiny. When we separated from the center, even there are 58 Islamic countries in the world, but nobody inquired about the well-being of their brothers. Respected, great and honorable President, this decline turned into success. This decline turned into success. This destroyed path bloom again with spring after spring. But how? The great mentor says to the Muslim Ummah, if the leader is present, then what is the ego? It is godliness. Come back to the center. What is the center? It is only the personality of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What is the center? It is only loyalty to the one who rests under the green dome. What is the center? It is only the gentleness and love of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What is the center? It is only turning back again and again to the personality of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In this center there is success. In this center there is progress. In this center there is dignity. It brings back what was lost. It brings the spring. It brings the turning back of springs. In this center there is dignity and success. The great mentor says, stand firm with the path of Mustafa. On the whole religion is in him. Everything else is meaningless. Separation from the center is death for nations. If the leader is present, then what is the ego? It is godliness. Thanks for your kind attention.